Hey, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies. We are working on a 992 Turbo S and we encountered a little bit of an issue and I want to show you guys how to solve it. You see, with a 992, if you ever have to disconnect the battery, a lot of times you're going to lose your one-touch functionality from your window switch. So as you can see here, if I do a simple one click, the window just pulses down and it doesn't go down and up with a one touch. Here's how to reset it. First thing you want to do is just take your finger and hold it all the way down. Once it stops, lift up, push down again. Then what you're going to do, lift it all the way back up. Once it stops, let go, pull it up, and now one touch works. This is most likely going to happen to you if you disconnect the battery in your car, but as you saw, all you need to do is relearn the car where the bottom and where the top is, and you'll be just fine. Anyway, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching today's video. Give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. Check us out at kies.com, Kies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.